What's up, everyone? It's your girl HR from HR Detail Critique with another video, another one of my midnight wine reviews. So you guessed it, it is midnight, and yes, I have sipped on my wine. However, I'm excited because the other night I was online as the detail warrior enthusiast that I am, and I ran across a video. And Rage actually was the content, which is this product right here. It was, well, what it is a non-acid based wool cleaner. And it worked really, really well with an acid. Well, actually, it worked really well by itself. But then I went and watched other videos, and they were putting like acid on top of it. But this is, I think it's going to be really good by itself. So I just really wanted to try it, which of course I wound up running across Superior products. Now I've used, and I do use on a regular basis, their Coverall. Now this bottle says Superior, but I never thought it was like a company Superior type of thing. I didn't know that they had like a whole line of products. So of course, as I'm watching these videos online, I'm coming to find out that they have other products. So I went to the website and, to do some research, and I looked at the catalog, and they have a plethora of products, guys, like a lot. Everything from all-purpose cleaners to even waxes. So I'm really excited about that because as a car enthusiast turned business owner, I'm just starting out. So I really don't have a whole lot of content. I really haven't, found a product that I absolutely just love and have to use at all costs. So I'm still kind of learning along the way, and I'm still gathering product as well. So I ordered their car wash kit. Their car wash kit comes with the Rage, because the gallon of Rage was $21.99, so it was like $22 for the gallon. But all of this stuff is super concentrated, so you're supposed to dilute this 4-to-1. So this is actually a half a gallon. It's actually not a whole gallon, but that's okay because I am just trying this stuff out. Because the whole kit, I got the Rage, the half-gallon Rage, the Coverall, which is a tire dressing, which is the best tire dressing, guys. I'm telling you, definitely try this. Along with the half-gallon Easy Shine, which is supposed to be a gloss. I've never used these products before, but I did go and look at some videos to just learn about them, to just see what it was that I was getting. So I definitely want to try this as well. I'm thinking I might use this on my engine detail, but I am going to do some videos and of course some trying out of the product. It also comes with this Firepower, which is actually an all-purpose cleaner. So I'm actually kind of excited about this because I've really been looking really hard for an all-purpose cleaner. If you guys haven't looked at my prior videos, as a matter of fact, it was one of the very first videos I put out. I believe was like of awesome all-purpose cleaner that I got from Dollar General. I wanted to see how that was going to work for $1, which works really well, actually, by the way, considering it's $1. But it's really abrasive, and it smells really strong. So I'm going to be really excited if this works very well, because these products are actually inexpensive too. It also comes with this Aquagloss. From what I understand on the video, it's actually kind of thick. If the camera is picking that up. But from what I understand, you could probably use this as a tire dressing as well. So I'm thinking maybe like for the trim and things. Again, I'm gonna do some more research, look at some more videos, and of course I'm gonna do experiments of my own to see what's the best way to use these products. And all of this was the car kit. And it was $39.99, car wash kit, actually. Now, I thought it odd for it to be a car wash kit and they don't have car wash that's included. So I actually bought some car wash. This is their cherry foam. Now this is a gallon, but it was really inexpensive. I think for this whole gallon, it was maybe like $12. I believe it was $11.99, which isn't bad at all. Matter of fact, here's the packing slip right here. I can tell you. There's no price on it, but I'm almost positive it was like $11, $12. Not bad at all. The consistency looks like it's kind of thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. It does have a cherry scent to it. I've actually already done the smell test and it does smell like cherry. I honestly can't wait to actually put it into my foam cannon to see how it foams, and even in the bucket test just to test the lubricity of it, because that is important on a touch wash. So I'm really excited to use these products. Again, I haven't used any of these before, but I'm really excited about the Rage because this is what actually started the whole thing. And I have used the Coverall. Actually, this is my go-to tire dressing. I absolutely love this product. But here's the thing. They also have this Coverall in liquid form in the gallon where you can actually dilute it so you can make it as glossy as you like. So I'm actually kind of excited about that because I'm actually going to try that product as well. I'm really hoping that all of their products is as quality as this Coverall, because if so, I don't really have to go shopping and, you know, go through, because I watch videos and I see detailers, they've had, you know, their ups and downs with different products, and they've spent hundreds and thousands on different products, you know, trying things out because one thing claims to be better than the next, so forth and so on. Me, I just like quality work. That's it. So if I can get quality at a reasonable price, why not? I mean, why do I have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars when I have products that's going to get it done? So I can't really say that right now. Only thing I can contest to for sure is this Coverall, because like I say, I use this often. This is my tire dressing of choice, and it's really, really good. I have no complaints with this Coverall at all. It doesn't sling. The gloss is just right. I mean, even if it's too shiny for you, you can still wipe it off and still get that the level of shine that you're wanting. So like, this is just really awesome, and I'm really hoping that the other products as well. So stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the like button, subscribe. Tell me what you would like for me to actually experiment or try these products on. I'm definitely out for it. As you can see, I am kind of new to YouTube. This is kind of new to me as far even the detail world. Now, I've been detailing for quite some time, and I just pretty much did it as a car enthusiast because I just really like to have a clean car. I like for them to be shiny and, you know, smell good, which turned into me doing other people's cars, whether it was friends and family, which I actually decided to actually make a business out of it. So I'm just starting, and perfect time to start because now it's about to be the winter time. But nonetheless, that gives me a lot of time to actually try things out, the different products that I want to try out on my different vehicles that I have. So you'll see some content on here in the next couple months, at least through the winter anyway. That'll be on my vehicles, but of course, I do want to try products out before I actually try it on the customer's car anyway. So hopefully by the spring, I'll actually have an idea and a lineup of the products that I want to use. And I'll be able to do that more successfully, actually, and hopefully at a more reasonable price. So I just wanted to share this with you guys really quickly because I'm really excited about it. Like, I'm really excited about this Rage. Now, I did order also from them. They have an acid-based wheel cleaner, because when I was looking over some videos, I seen that people were putting the non-acid Rage on it and then spraying it with the I think it's called wire wheel cleaner. So I did order that. I actually had to go into O'Reilly's and order it because they wouldn't let me order it online with all of this, which I did. And it's supposed to be there in the morning. So I'm going to go by tomorrow to pick that up. So this weekend, it is supposed to rain. But hopefully we'll get a dry day in there. And if not, I'm in my garage. I'm definitely going to try it out, the wheel cleaner, because I purposely haven't washed my wheels since I've seen the video, because I do want to try it out. And if not, I have a car actually out in the elements, and we'll probably use it on that. Well, I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use it on yet, but we'll definitely get you some video of all of these products, guys. And again, if you have used these products before and you know what to use them for, definitely leave a comment down below. Definitely hit a like. Leave a comment if you like as well. Greatly appreciate the support. Definitely follow. I do follow back. Again, thank you for watching, and good night.